Hi, hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel AxelBuzz Testing, where you will learn in easy, simple way. So, our today's video topic is how to test your location-based application. So, let's start our video. Are location-based applications. Location-based service is a software service for mobile device application that requires knowledge about where your mobile device is geographically located. The application collects geodata which data gathers in a real time using one or more location tracking technologies. In today's world, there are so many applications or every other application is using location based service. For example, like retail. Most leading retailers like Walmart and IKEA uses geolocation tracking apps to augment their in-store experience. For example, they use your GPS data to help to find their nearest store or choose a convenient pickup and delivery location. On-demand services. Most on-demand transportation apps such as Uber, Ola rely on user location to pair them with the nearest drivers. It allows the users to see where their taxi is and when it arrives, or monitor their status and get the estimated travel duration and all in real time. Third one is travel. No hotel booking app is complete without map view. Finding their nearby hotel specific destination is now very convenient for users, and this feature can be handy for last minute bookings, finding the location for tourist spots, etc. Fitness. Access to the phone's GPS data can help the app to map the routes, track the speed, even connect with the fellow fitness enthusiastic in your area. In addition, using geolocation in the map, the nearest fitness studios, personal trainers, and local feeds can be viewed in the fitness apps. Social media and dating. Apps like Instagram and Snapchat have map view that allows user to geotag the post to see the people nearby and connect with them based on the location. In addition, dating apps like Tinder uses geolocation to enable communication with your users nearby. Games. One of the most popular games of all the times, Pokemon Go and PUBG, that makes excessive use of geolocations. IoT. IoT is using geolocation in most of the wearables such as smartwatches, safety care apps, pet care apps, etc. These are few categories. There are innumerous apps there in the iOS and Android nowadays. Those uses geolocations. Which software testing ideally to be done on location-based applications? Usually the quality inspection process for such location-based mobile application can be divided into several categories. First one is usability testing. Ask yourself a question: is your application is friendly or not? Are users able to understand the applications with ease? If you want answer to these sort of questions, try to perform usability testing. It is performed exactly for such type of purposes that helps ensure an app is easily understood by the user or not. Localization testing. Monitoring location special features and parameters, it is an essential step that cannot be avoided at any cost. When it comes to testing location based application, are all numbers, date, time, currency and other important parameters displayed correctly or not? It is the best pay attention to these functions as well. Crowd testers can easily and effectively test these functions or applications in the most effective way in anywhere in the world. Geographical blocking. Certain applications restrict their users from using the application in particular location. These blocks may have different reasons such as political reasons. Services can only be used in certain countries or regions, or distribution channels are not available in certain countries or regions. This is called geographical blockage. Some tests should be performed in this block's location to ensure that the application does not work in this location and restrict the users to any access. Functionality testing. Testers must test all the basic variants of geographical applications. This may include responsiveness, user interface, screen size, and orientations, and other variants. You can also achieve such testing using open source or free tools such as FPM or test projects. Especially for location-based mobile application, Test Project shares an open source geolocation utils add-on that provides action to be set on mock location to test how your app will work in different locations. The strength of signals. It is supplementary feature and may not be able to test it in several types of applications, even though it is vital for development for successful location-based solutions. Airplane mode and networks. For location-based mobile application, it is significant to test the performance of multiple networks such as Wi-Fi, 3G, etc. In addition, it is very much important to check out the application's operationality in aeroplane mode and to create specific test cases for original users in design or geographical locations to use these settings to test the performance. Crowd testing. This type of testing is proven effective method for testing location-based mobile application. Crowd testing provides you to access to real users using real devices anywhere in the world to make sure your location-based app is doing what it's supposed to do. Now let's see some location-based mobile testing tips. When you test your app, make sure that your location is displaying is accurate. A difference of even 100 meters can make your app looks unreliable to users. Test location features by keeping your device in airplane mode. Some devices have power saving mode. This may affect the GPS. So check your app behavior when your power saving mode is on. Turn off GPS and verify the behavior. Also try using app when Wi-Fi and other data connections are off. You can then try the combination of GPS, Wi-Fi and data connections toggle to test whether the app can handle all the scenarios successfully or not. Use location faking tools to test your app in location where your intended user base would be using the app. Fake GPS locations and Lockito are some location faking apps for Android. Test your app by remaining stationary and while on the move. Verify app is able to track your location properly or not. Check your app is able to handle interruptions or not, like call, SMS, notification, signal drop, connection outage, etc. If possible, conduct the field test. Test your app from location where your GPS connection is good. For example, open space, plaza, where moderate. For example, crowded space, moving train, and poor, like tunnel and buildings. While doing any testing, please simultaneously keep the track of your device's power consumption. Test with the maps like Google Maps or other Apple Maps softwares. Test your app in different network conditions like 2G, 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi. So these are few scenarios you should consider while doing location-based app testing. So this is it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We post our videos on every Tuesday and Friday, so stay tuned. For any queries, please write down to us in comment sections. Till the time, happy testing. Bye bye.